So what I've got here is a lock cylinder from the trunk of a Volvo 850, a 1995 Volvo 850. And this was completely seized. The key wouldn't turn at all. And I dismantled it and I thought, well, maybe there's a way to release the cylinder here, or the barrel from the cylinder. And if you look down here, there's a little notch. I tried prying that. There's a little hole here. I tried prying in there. Nothing could release it, and the key would not turn at all. It would go in and out fine, but it wouldn't turn. So after looking at it for a while, what I noticed was, down in here, there were two ball bearings. And if I pushed them with a small enough nail, not this one, small enough nail, I could actually get them to pop inwards. And I figured that must be the release mechanism. Now I think normally on one of these lock cylinders from a Volvo, if you can get the key to turn, and you turn it about 70 degrees, then it'll release and you can pull the whole barrel out. And if you look here, there's a little notch here and here, and the ball bearings are about 70 degrees off. So what I imagine what happens under normal circumstances is that you can turn the barrel, and the ball bearings will get depressed by these notches, and that allows you to pull the barrel out. So what I did was, well, I have to depress both ball bearings at the same time. So I took a piece of credit card and cut it to size. I pushed it down in there, oops, like that. And then I took another one. I pushed it down in there like that. And that depressed the two ball bearings and loosened it up. And then I just took my pliers like this. And I pushed really hard. And eventually it pushed this out here. And it turned out, well, the reason I'm doing it over a bucket is so that when the parts come out they can fall into the bucket. But it turned out the reason it was jammed had nothing to do with pins. It was this little spring here was damaged. And it actually came out of this hole. So I got the key about this far, the barrel about this far out. I was able to extract this spring. Once I extracted the spring, then the whole thing just comes right out like that. And then you can go about cleaning and repairing that, and reassembling it. Thanks for watching.